Hey, young.
Hey, young.
Hey. Squeeze. Like,
We actually replaced our head gasket. Well, good morning on this nice and sunny morning. First thing to do today is to install the thermostat housing, get that new seal in there, and install the coolant pipe, which goes to the engine block. So yeah, let's continue where we left off. Damn, this old seal is gonna give me a lot of trouble. It's really caked on there. Let me get a screwdriver or something. I think they put two gaskets on top of each other. That's definitely what they did. So, new gaskets, new bolts, 1, 2, 3. So if you ever need to do this, the best idea would be to install the thermostat housing before putting the head back in, because that lower bolt is pretty hard to get back in. So we're gonna use this Torx bit and cut it in half, and then yeah, should be good to go. Yeah, that's an old one our dad used 30 years ago. Yeah,
it's working.
Should work. And the results are perfect. Yeah, should work.
I hope. I also definitely fun.
Yay!
Well, now we have one for that. For the tensioner pulley.
Yeah.
We also shortened that one. Hey, it's a DIY.
Right, with that out of the way, it's time to tighten up the exhaust manifold. Man, this is so shiny. Okay, got some new bolts for the exhaust manifold. So there was the option to replace those studs for the exhaust manifold, but the company that overhauled our head cleaned those as well, so should be good. Dus ik ben nog wel een kuthouding. Oei, oei, oei. Exhaust manifold to gasket.
25 Newton.
Another box ticked. Next step will be the pulleys for the timing belt.
Hier gewoon.
Well, with the pulleys back in, we're gonna put back the heat shield first. It's probably gonna be a struggle again. Okay, getting there. Hey, that was way easier than getting out. Gravity. Alright, heat shield is back. Now we're gonna turn our attention to the camshafts. First thing to do is
remove the blankets, take out the camshafts, put on the seals, clean, something like that. Yes. Slippery.
Should be.
No. Yeah. I don't know the exact location.
We'll see once we put it in there. Alright, so this one is the exhaust. It says PFE, so that's exhaust, yep.
Preferably exhaust. I look up a quick video of Robert explaining this.
Now you don't want to get these cams mixed up. As you see, this one ends with EA, that's an exhaust cam. The other one's the intake cam, and the exhaust cam goes closer to the windshield. And as you can see, the intake cam here, the part number is on the bottom, and the exhaust cam, the part number is on the top.
Okay.
So,
Right, thanks again, Robert. Right, let's put some oil in there. Well, it's not gonna be a little. Yeah. So on this side, the levels need to be on top. And that's exhaust, yep.
Oil in a bucket.
This side should say I, and it says PFI, so that's the intake one.
Preferably intake.
Yeah.
Preferably. It's a gift to you.
Okay. So something I learned with these engines, that there is no camshaft clamp, I guess, that's integrated into the camshaft cover. So yeah, I didn't know that, and now I do.
Good for you.
Yeah. Give this a clean, make sure there's no oil drops coming on the anaerobic sealant.
Spray, man.
Alright, let's clean both surfaces with a little acetone. And with the head and camshaft cover nice and clean, it's time to install the spark plug tube seals and apply the anaerobic sealant. What's wrong?
My hands, man. You need to squeeze like a.
Right, now we need to roll that out.
Well, here goes nothing. What the heck?
Oh man, I don't know about this. Never seen this stuff before. So that should be good, I guess. Maybe it's just, it could be perfect. I mean, that surface and that surface are made for each other, and this could be enough. I'm just used to having gaskets on there, but
Yeah. Looks kind of funny. Like, does this even seal?
Indeed. Right, let's get it on there. Okay. Flip it over. Do not touch the sealant.
No.
Well, let's drop it slowly.
Life will find its way. I hope. It's going.
Yes.
Sure this side is mating.
Okay, so this is on there. I think we should tighten it up. Right?
Start from the middle.
Yeah. Do not drop any of them in the holes now.
No.
Okay, before we do anything else, we're gonna put the spark plugs back in. Not tight, but just into the holes so nothing can fall in there.
Nothing can fall in there.
Nope. I think it's time to start bolting it down in the correct order. Yeah. Right, it's back on. Now we need to torque everything down with, I think it was 17.
Cylinder head, upper section to lower section. 17.
17, okay.
That's echt niks.
Looking good. I hope we didn't fuck anything up, because then we'll have to undo everything. Oh well. We probably did a good job. Right, time for the camshaft.
Sprockets.
Sprockets.
E. Inlaat or intake. Let's check the timing mark. It was there. And then somewhere there are bolt holes.
Yep.
Yeah. Should be relatively close to timing already.
Yep.
Uitlaat. Exhaust. There it is. Can you look what way we need to turn this?
Mm-hmm. I forgot to put the camera on, but we got the tool to align the camshafts. That is looking pretty good.
Camshaft sprocket bolts. 20. Oh.
Yeah. Time to reinstall the belt tensioner. Now let's see if we can get that belt aligned again.
I can't see shit.
Belt is back on. It's looking pretty damn good. Yeah. Release the tensioner.
Will it turn?
I hope so.
There we go. Please.
It's out.
I hope we find it.
Yeah.
Because we might need it again.
Let's hope not. Okay. Moment of truth part 1. Let's see if it still turns.
Oh, remove the locking tool, man.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, yeah, I see pistons move. I hear compression.
What's the funny sound though?
Compression.
What compression? The spark plugs are out.
Yeah, but they are lightly in there.
Oh yeah.
So that's the sound you're hearing.
Nothing that's squeaking. No, it's pushing air out, of course.
Yeah. Okay, so that was run round and it's still...
Let's just keep on turning.
Yeah. Yeah, no, it's that one. Now it's that one. Okay, that was another round.
That should be enough.
That's all good.
It can turn.
Timing belt is still nicely centered.
Timing is the same.
Okay. Well, I think part 1 is cleared. Okay, so it's still turning. I think the easiest thing to do now is to reinstall the...
We have everything in the back in the order we took it apart.
Right.
So we're just going to reverse that.
Yep. Let's do it. And this was. Get up there. Before we forget,
Don't forget the tensioner thing. Should slide right on.
Time to disassemble that old intake manifold.
Yes. Snap.
Good.
Oh.
Okay, that is one piece.
Hello, Papa!
Hey!
Body.
Yo!
Oh.
That is one nasty throttle body.
Yes.
So, yeah, unfortunately, we did not get the right one.
That's a shame.
Yeah, that's a shame indeed. Yeah, let's just replace some gaskets and rubbers and put that thing back then. Very, very unfortunate, but let's clean everything and put it back together. So the new Christmas tree, that is the same.
The notch is there. Was that on there? Van dat precies,
Ja.
volgens mij. Ja. Dus doe het zo.
Good. Even door de dingen ook al. Right, we put the intake manifold gasket back in. Now we're gonna, on the bottom bolts, put back the intake manifold itself.
And the second hole, eh?
Yep.
Het gaat ook een stuk makkelijker.
We're getting there. Where was this attached? Where is that ground wire gone?
Ja, dat is in mijn handen. Maar hij is een beetje teruggevallen daar.
Right, almost done. Right, intake manifold is back. Put back some cables, connectors, wires, stuff. Yeah.
Camshaft sensor. The bracket was with that. Oh, ratchet, you motherfucker. Thank you.
So we managed to get original Volvo parts, which are the distributor and the
Rotor.
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 Yeah. There was nothing wrong with it, except those bolts were pretty much gone on the old one. But they were almost sold out originally by Volvo, so we thought let's just get new parts.
It only can go one way. There's a notch on it.
Yep.
Yeah, it will find its way. Niet dus. Dan moeten deze uitstekels boven. Dat kan ook niet. Het moet al... Pak die uitsteeksels. Hieronder is het 2 keer smaller. Hè.
It seems about right.
Don't forget to plug the camshaft sensor back in.
Right, done. Spark plugs. Uno. Dos.
And then send them to outer space.
Right, let's put those spark wires back. It's very nasty on that one.
Ugh, what the heck is that?
I do not know.
Looks like snot. Let's not mess this up.
No, let's not do that. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Ik heb er hier nog 2, hè?
Ja, 2 korte hier. Dat weet ik ook niet meer. Let's not mess this up, zeggen ze dan.
Right, this is the only way. Nice. Very. Go in. No. Yeah, it starts.
Adjustment.
Yep. Perfectly fine.
De
just
borging.
like it
De
was.
borging.
Wat?
Of heb je al de borging erin?
Die.
De borging.
Welke borging?
Dat is toch de borging?
Die.
Ja.
Ja, hij zit erin.
En dan weet ik toch niet hoe dat eruit zag.
Ja,
Je
zo.
hebt het allemaal losgehaald.
Zo.
Discussion.
Right, next step. Fuel reel. Yeah, those rubbers are new. So,
Let's give him a little...
well, we've got new ones for when we do have the right intake manifold. Then we can replace those again, just because we can then. In it goes.
Nou, dat beugeltje hebben we ook nog ergens gelaten.
Deze.
Ja,
Waar zat die?
daarin ergens.
Was it? Oh yeah, we put the bolt back in. Where did this go? Airbox? Yeah, that's the sensor for the yeah. Okay. Dat kan toch niet anders? That is on. Brake booster thing. A wob. A wob 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 wob. I really hope this works. Yeah, I don't know, someone tighten those clamps so they don't fall off.
There were only 2 people working here.
Yes?
I did not.
What are you trying to say?
Nothing.
Okay.
Let's put some schmersel on there.
What happened?
Let's put it in the wrong way.
Why?
I don't know. I don't remember a thing.
I don't remember a thing.
Hey, young.
Hey, young.
Hey.
Hey. Where did I put it? Okay, here goes nothing. It's in. We have power now. Alright, it is happening. Gonna put some water in there and then
Try and start it.
see if it turns over.
This is distilled water. We're gonna flush the coolant again, just to be sure everything, the liquid copper is out.
Yeah. Got a leak somewhere?
Yes.
Where?
I don't know.
I hear it. Let's search.
Uh-oh.
Damn it, the coolant pipe is leaking, the new one, somewhere. Probably where it meets the water pump. Yeah, let's just take the heat shield out and see what we can find. Well, it's been about an hour. That was a real shitty job. Let's not talk about it again. Now, we're gonna put some more water in there. Hopefully it doesn't leak again. Okay, a little more water coming. It's not leaking at the moment anywhere. Okay, promising, I think. We got a key. I'm really scared.
You know it's turning, so what can...
Yeah, that's true.
The worst that can happen is it doesn't start. What was that?
Again?
Stinky. Very rough.
Okay, so it's it is turning, but something is not right. Let's investigate. We said we needed to pay extra attention with the ignition, but we made a little mistake. 4 and 5 were not in the right
We
spot.
still did it the wrong way.
Yeah. Now it's correct. Let's try again. So it's running on 5 cylinders, but
It's not
yeah, I don't know. Put serpentine back bell. We put the serpentine belt back. I also forgot the MEF sensor thing. Let's try again.
Uitlaatspressing is niet dicht.
What nee?
Well, at this point we were pretty sure most of the noise was caused by a leaking exhaust manifold and that the lifters still needed to get some more oil. So we went ahead, added the coolant flush and let the engine warm up to operating temperature.
So we've been running it for about 15 minutes and well, we did find a leak on the exhaust manifold on cylinder 2 and it sounds like that sound is coming from there somewhere, so maybe, yeah, maybe that's it.
We really have a problem with the size 12 on this car. Hey, I found it.
Alright, so we're 100% sure that the exhaust manifold is leaking. There's already some staining from the exhaust stuff coming out at cylinder 2. So I'll order a new gasket and replace that. For now we're gonna drain the coolant system and put some new water in there, rinse it out and then put the new coolant in there. And then we should be almost done. Right, last bit of water. We did another 3 cans of 5 liters. Should be good. Time for some fresh coolant. That sound is definitely not the lifters. It's the exhaust manifold. Yeah. The engine sounds beautiful, it's definitely that. Good to know. I was worried at the start.
Yes, so many things went wrong at the start.
Yeah. So far no leaks, no nothing except for the exhaust manifold, but yes, it's running beautiful. So we bled the coolant system again. Looks all good, no leaks for now. Head gasket seems to be okay, no oil, no weird smoke coming out of it, so I think we actually replaced our head gasket. Wow. So yeah, next week we'll replace the exhaust manifold gasket again. But yeah, I think we really did it. That's it for now, so thanks for watching and see you the next time.
Adieu.
Did we actually do it?
Eigenlijk niet, want dat maakt echt geluid.